everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to celebrate my mom's birthday. So ayan, kasama ko sila ni Daddy. So ayan, we're here at Eggsy Calamba. We were going to try their very famous puto. This one. Mixed variant siya, so iba't iba ng flavor. Yeah, this one's the salted egg. We also have ube, trestle puto. And this one is the all cheese. And then, this one naman is the maho puto. And then, order din kami ng homemade dinuguan para kapir siya ng puto natin. So, first is the creme anglaise tart. We also have ube and nag-avail din kami nun. Actually, frozen yung tart guys. Unlike yung mga tart na diba yung mga texture usually yung crust nila. Parang soft cookie yung dating. Pero ito, medyo mahirap siya kagatin. Kasi sa ila, pinrisa siya. For the tart, meron silang box for 4, box for 6. Pero in-avail namin is box for 6. And, ayan. So, tatlong creme anglaise and then tatlong ube flavor siya. Try nga natin yung puto kasi nagustuhan na ni Mommy yung all cheese na flavor. Prefer ko yung syempre mixed variants para matry nyo lahat yung mga flavor na available. And actually guys, meron din silang ibang branches pa in Rizal, Cavite, Batangas, and Alabang. So if you're in any of those areas, you should check them out. So yan, as you can see, malaki talaga ng cheese na grabe ang sarap. Ang init pa niya. Try ko muna lahat bago ako pumili ko alin yung pinaka-favorite ko. So yan, try natin yung salted egg. Actually, lahat ng flavors masarap. Try natin yung ube. So ayan siya. May konting cheese and dito siya sa top. So, what I love about their puto, freshly baked talaga siya. Talagang mainit pa siya sa serve sa inyo. So, pwedeng dine in and take out as well. Pwede din kayo mag-single order ng bawat flavor ng mga puto dito. Pero, mas gusto ko yung apat na flavor para matry talaga natin lahat. So, yan. Try natin yung dinuguan. Ang sarap niya ng dinuguan, no? Sobrang soft yun. Grabe guys, perfect combination talaga yung dinuguan ng puto. Sobrang sarap. Meron din sila dito na e-tap. So, yan, pwede kayong magbayad through PayMaya or Gcash. So, yes, try naman natin itong maho flavor. So, as you can see, parang may mga sauce siya. And also cheese on top. That one is my least favorite. Pag umorder kayo ng puto guys, recommend ko talaga na mag-try kayo ng dinuguan. Sarang lahat naman ng flavors, masarap siya. Pero mas gustuhan ko yung ube. And yung kay Mommy naman, mas gusto niya is all cheese. Ikaw, Daddy, ano mas gusto mo? Salted egg?
Sarap na.
Lahat gusto ni Daddy. Pero ako hindi ko siya type yung maho puto. And actually guys, nag-avail din kami ng ham loaf. Kaya frozen pa siya. Excellent. So ayan, ganito siya. So kailangan pa natin siyang lutuin. Open natin para pakita ko. Ganito sa Mommy oh. Talagang naka-ano siya, sealed na sobra. So kailangan pa siya i-microwave. Favorite ko talaga yung dinuguan nila guys. Masarap. It really goes well with the food. Itong place nila kasi air-conditioned and then very aesthetic din nila.
Pero nakapaganda dito yun. Cheese. Ube.
So, hindi ko na kain ng lunch. So, ayun guys, yung total ng bill namin is 1,822 pesos. Iti-take out lang namin yung mga puto since hindi namin naubos, sobrang dami. And shopping lang muna kami. So, let's go! everyone! So we're about to do a quick shopping here at Urban Shade. So it is only located here at Calamba, Laguna. So yeah, most of the items that they sell here are mga Shein clothes. They also have bags and shoes. So yeah, sobrang daming choices. As you can see, ayan. And you know what guys, the best part here is that all items is only 100 pesos. Mostly from Shein yung nakuha ko. And yun sa heels nila, konti na lang yung available dito, tatlo. Then yung size boots. Then, ayan yung mga bags. This one is from the Vito as well. Grabe, sobrang daming branded na items. Ang gaganda guys. Ayan guys, gusto nito ako sa loob ng fitting room. And ito yung sa mga napili ko. Ayan. So yan, perfect for the cold weather. This one is a dress. And then, yung next naman natin is this one. As you can see, ayan, medyo see-through siya. This one is my most favorite. Mga comfortable ang person. And the final one. So ayan, super ganda niya. So, very fitted na dress. Kakaalis lang namin from Urban Shades. And yung items na nabili namin is 30 pieces. So, 3,000 pesos in total. And ang dami na niya guys. Meron na akong mga dress, shorts, top. And meron din for mommy and daddy. And yung waist. And then, for my lola and lola kay tita. For the shoes naman, tatlo na lang yung items na available. And I think medyo malaki yung size nila sa akin. But, ayun, nag-enjoy naman kami sa pag-shopping kasi ang dami namin nabili. Anyway guys, magla-lunch muna kami and dito ko na lang i-end yung vlog nito. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on my channel and also turn on the notifications so that you'll get updated when I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog.